fifth math. Okay, in that we can see first chapter. Okay, in that previous lecture we discussed the question answers on the page number 6 and 7. Okay, so today I will go page number 8. So all students open page number 8. I can read, listen carefully. Here they can show some pictures. Okay, I can read the name. First picture is for motorboat. Second is also motorboat. The third one long tail boat, and the last one is big machine boat, means traveler. Okay, I can read, listen carefully. But the fishermen are now very worried. There are some very big machines boats, means travelers in the business. They go far out and put their big nets deep in the sea. This way they collect a whole lot of fish, leaving very few near the seashore. They also stay out on the sea for many days. These big machine boats also catch a small baby fishes which have yet to grow up. Fishermen in the smaller boats always let the baby fishes pass through their nets to go back into the sea. They choose a net size in such a way that only the grown up fish can caught. See page number 9. For hundreds of years, fishermen have cared for the sea and its fishes, and fisher only a little to eat and sell. They say that if travelers catch thousands of kilograms of fish every day, there will be no fish left in the sea. See here, they can give us one question. Write a news report about the dangers faced by the fishes in our river and seas. So you can think about the traditional fishermen and also these big fishermen. Okay, and which problems we can face in this next years. Next years you can write in that question, in that answers. Okay, understood? In that answer what we write? Okay, see once again I can read. Write a news report about the dangers faced by the fishes in our rivers and seas. Okay, you can write the answer for this question. Okay, next one. Which boats get how much? Which boats gets how much? Okay, I can read this. In one trip, a log boat brings about 20 kg of fish, but other types of boats bring a bigger catch as given in the table. The table also shows the speed of each type of boats, which is how far each boat goes in 1 hour. Look at the table and calculate. Okay, I will see on the page number 9. They can use this one table. Okay, I can read that table. Listen carefully. Type of boats. Okay, in that they can use this 4 type of boats. Okay, first log boats. Second one long tail boats. Third one motor boat, machine boat. These 4 types of boats they can use here. For first, second column is for catch the fish in the one trip in kg. Long boat catches 20 kg. Long boat catches 20 kg in one trip, and the speed of the boat for 1 hour is equals to 4 km per hour. Also, second long tail boat that catches in one trip 600 kg and speed is 12 km per hour. Third one motor boat. Okay, in one trip they can catch 800 kg. Okay, and speed is 20 km per hour. Last one, machine boat. that catches 6,000 kg. 6,000 kg, and the speed is 22 km per hour. And the speed is 22 km per hour. Okay. We can use this chart and solve the example. See, about how much fish in all will each type of boat bring in 7 trips. See, here they can use us types of boats, and here catch of fish in one trip. They can use us one trip, and we can find for 7 trips. How to find? See, I will draw here 3 columns. First column means types of boats. This is our first column. Second column, catch of fish in one trip. And for this question we can find for 7 trips. So third column, catch of fish in 7 trips in kg. See, first of all I can write types of boats. Okay, they can use us here. Log boat. Second one, long tail boat. Third one, motor boat. And fourth one, machine boat. These 4 types of boat. In one trip, how they can catch? We can write here. They can use us. We can copy here. 20 kg, 600 kg, 800 kg, and 6,000 kg. Okay. And what we find? Catch the fish in 7 trips. Here they can use us one trip. In one trip, how much they can catch? They can use us here, and we have to find here for 7 trips. So simple. You can multiply this number by 7. See, first of all, this is 20, means 20 multiplied by 7. Okay, you can find that answer. Here also 600 multiplied by 7. Here 800 multiplied by 7, and this is 6,000 multiplied by 7. All of you understood this? See, in one trip they can catch. Okay, here we can find for 7 trips. So here we can multiply these numbers by 7. Okay, do this multiplication and find the answer. This is homework for you. Understand how to do this? First example I can solve. After that you can solve all the examples. 20 multiplied by 7. How to do this? Only you can multiply 2 and 7. 2 sevens are 14. 2 sevens are 14. Write this 0 here. Means 140 kg. Means that log boat can catch fishes in 7 trips. How many kg? 140 kg of fish they can catch in 7 trips. Understand? So all remaining you can solve that. Okay, only you can do their multiplication and find the answer. Understand? Second question. Question 3 I can read. Listen. About how far can the motor boat go in 6 hours? See, motorboat. For motorboat, what is the speed? 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour. 20 km per hour means in 20 km per hour means in 1 hour that travels 20 km. That travels 20 km, and they can ask for 6 hours. So in 1 hour that travels 20 kilometers. So how to find the answer for this question? You can multiply that 20 by 6. See, for 1 kilometer, 1 hour 20 kilometers, 2 hours 40 kilometers, 3 hours 60 kilometers, and so on. Okay, so you can multiply 20 and multiplication of 6. 20 multiplied by 6. Do this multiplication, then you will get answer. Understand? Last question. See, if a long tail boat has traveled 60 kilometers, how long will it take? See this. See, what is our last question? If a long tail boat has traveled 60 kilometers, how long will it take? Means how much time will it take? Okay. See, for long tail boat, what is the speed? 12 kilometers per hour. That can travel 12 kilometers per hour. Okay, and that travels 60 kilometers. So how much time they can need? How to find? There is one formula for that time. We can find time. Okay, what is the formula for time? Time is equals to distance upon speed. What is formula? Time means we have to find the time for that 60 kilometers, and what is the speed? 20 kilometers per hour. Okay, so we can find this time. Okay, we have no distance and speed. Okay, what is the distance? That boat can travel 60 kilometers. So I will write here 60 on the numerator. And what is the speed? They can give us here, see in that table, long tail boat 12 kilometers per hour. Means that can travel in one hour. They can travel 12 kilometers. Okay, that is speed. So I will write it 12. So you can divide these numbers. Okay. You can divide this orally also. We know that table of 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 ones are 12. 12 twos are 24. 12 threes are 36. 12 fours are 48. 12 fives are 60. 12 fives are 60. So I can drop that and write here 5. Means your answer is 5 hours. Means for that long tail boat, they can require 5 hours to go 60 kilometers. That long tail boat they need 5 hours for that 60 kilometers. Understand, all of you? Okay. Remaining part we can see on the next lecture. So write these question answers in your notebook and complete that. Okay. Thank you, students.